Are your Microsoft key protection application failing because of the Mskeyprotect DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. While we explore the technical guide for Mskeyprotect, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Mskeyprotect, the Microsoft Key Protection Library. It provides unmanaged localized routines for protecting cryptographic keys. It facilitates the secure data link to localized hardware security modules, TPM, for credential persistence. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Mskeyprotect.dll. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Mskeyprotect file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Mskeyprotect.dll that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Mskeyprotect. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Mskeyprotect and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.